Thank you for joining Waking Up with D. Today, I am revisiting a place that I haven't eaten from on camera for quite a while. Actually, I've hardly eaten here, period, since I did my last mukbang. And I'll link in the description box below the last mukbang, I did from Panda Express. Today, they have something new on the menu, and I'm going to tell you about it in just a moment. First, before we get into that, please take a moment to like this video just so you don't forget, and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. So I'm going to get into this. I'm hungry. I got their 2 entree plate with the side. They have a new crispy almond chicken. And wait, I'm going to show you how that looks. That has cabbage. That's the crispy almond chicken. Okay. I'm going to do, I'm going to do like a picture maybe with the noodles. Here's an almond right there. That bite's for you guys. It's really good, you guys. The sauce is sweet, really sweet. The chicken has a good crispiness to it. And there's those little almond slices. So I got chow mein, the new crispy almond chicken, and the orange chicken. It said on the sign, excuse me, that the new almond chicken is antibiotic for the chickens are antibiotic free, which is cool. I mean, this still doesn't mean they're like free range. They still could be like super fat, you know. Barely able to move. Sorry. But it's true. Yeah, I really like, this is the orange chicken now. So the orange chicken is really good. The orange chicken is not as crispy as the almond chicken, but it's called crispy almond chicken, so, you know. I ate here recently with a friend, and that's when I tried the crispy almond chicken, and I was, you know, when you order something new, you just don't know what to expect. Like, I like to try new things, but sometimes I don't like to venture out because I don't want to waste money on something I'm not going to like. But I was really pleased with how it tasted. So I've told you guys before, but I live in Washington State, and I think I heard that our minimum wage is $13.69 an hour. I could be wrong, but it is something around there. Um, so when I was going through the drive-through, the starting pay at Panda Express is, it was a range, and it started out at $16.50. So $16.50 per hour, up to $17 and something cents, which I feel like is good, and which is really good, you know. I'm seeing those signs a lot of places, like McDonald's is paying more. Where I live anyway. Target is paying more. I just have seen a whole bunch of signs. Please comment down below. Are there big companies where you're from that are the starting wages are higher right now? Please let me know, because I'm just interested in hearing about it. I was gonna put the whole thing in my mouth, but nah, I'm gonna be that messy. My napkin's all wrapped up. But yeah, I'm curious to know if, like, other states, if that's the trend that other states are doing. I know that here in Spokane, because of the demic, the food service industry, of course, was hit really hard. And the food service industry has had, in particular, has had a really hard time with, like, staffing a lot of these different restaurants. But you know what? Working with food is hard work. Like, I think a lot of people minimize how hard it is. I've never done it, by the way. You know why I've never done it? Excuse me. Oh, and I got a root beer. A medium root beer. The reason I've never worked in the food industry, like, as my first job or whatever the case is because people get really mad about their food. And I can de-escalate situations. I've had jobs where I've had to take supervisor calls, or a job, at least one. I know how to de-escalate situations. However, when it's dealing with food, I don't know. To me, it's just a whole other level. Because, like, just from experience as a customer, I feel like, being upset over food is a whole other level. Because, yeah. So anyways, food service workers, they work really hard. Service workers in general do. But, I mean, I just think they definitely work hard and are very underappreciated and underpaid. And so I don't blame people for not wanting to go back to the food industry, honestly, because the demic has allowed people time to rethink what they want to do. I've heard that even people who didn't, like, get laid off or whatever are, like, putting in their resignation because the demic situation forced them to, like, the demic, like, put things in perspective, and it gave them more time, or just really changed the world, and it made them rethink if what they're doing in life is what they want to continue doing. So there was, like, a record number of resignations in America. which I think is very interesting. I don't know what time frame that's over, but I can see it, man. I can see it. Why? It's really good, you guys. So thank you guys for watching the short that I uploaded a few days ago. It was really successful. It was the most viewed video I've ever uploaded. I'm so happy about that. I look really busted in that video, which I think is hilarious that now that's the video that's the most viewed. But I'm just so happy. I mean, I don't care if I look busted. I mean, I do a little bit. It annoys me, but I'm just happy that it was viewed a lot. So we did gain about 5 subscribers, give or take 1 or 2. I think 5 from that short after I uploaded it. So thank you for being a new subscriber. Welcome to this channel. Please make suggestions if there's something you want me to film, something you want me to try food-wise, content-wise. I'm open. You can also email me. It's always in my description box, or it usually is. But yeah, thank you so much for being a new subscriber. And to all my continued loyal subscribers, thank you for being real ones, sticking with this channel. We're only moving up, baby. I'm not as hungry as I thought I was. I'm going to eat one last orange chicken. A little bit of the noodle and cabbage. Yeah, let me know though, in your area, comment down below if food food restaurants or whatever are paying more, or big companies like Target, McDonald's, places like that, are they paying more starting out? I'm just curious to know, like, what part of the country the wages are increasing, or if it's kind of across the board. Before I get to the closing, I just wanted to share my twin's Etsy shop that she's had for a number of years. She creates art and other creations. Right now, you're looking at an example of a postcard that's for sale on her website. On the website, there's a number of different art pieces that she sells in the form of a postcard, such as also that gray cat you're looking at right now. The left-hand side, you'll see peach earrings that she made out of polymer clay. She also sells other earrings and a bracelet that she's made. The bracelet's really cool, by the way. She makes geeky creations as well, like wands that are very like Harry Potter-esque, and some Mario Brothers stuff. And right now you are looking at stickers of her art. She does have great prices, and she's made custom art for people when they request paintings of their pets. And she may even do other custom pieces if you wanted to request that. So please look in the description box below to check out her stuff. It's that time. If you've watched this whole video, OMG. Thank you. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch me film this content. I enjoy doing this for you guys. And thank you for being here. And if you have watched the whole video, please comment down below the noodle bowl emoji. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload, you are notified. And finally, there is only one you. So don't forget to take care of you. Bye, you guys.